The Tahitian experience. Why choose far and away? Tailor-made journeys. Exclusive accommodations. Insider tips. Planning made simple. Romantic surprises. Unforgettable activities. Dive into the embrace of Tahiti's sun-kissed shores and let far and away adventures whisk you away on a honeymoon that's as unique as your love story. Imagine stepping off the plane into a world where crystal clear waters meet lush landscapes, creating the perfect canvas for romance. Tahiti, the heart of French Polynesia, is more than a destination. It's a paradise for lovers. But with paradise comes choices, many, many choices. That's where Far and Away Adventures steps in. With years of crafting Tahitian tales, our local expertise transforms overwhelming options into a seamless serenade of love and adventure. Your honeymoon should echo your personal love song. Whether it's the tranquility of a beachside retreat or the thrill of diving into vibrant marine life, we compose itineraries that resonate with your heart's desires. Rest assured, your nights will be as enchanting as your days. With our curated selection of luxurious resorts and iconic overwater bungalows, we ensure your stay in Tahiti is nothing short of extraordinary. And it's the little secrets that make a big difference. Our insider tips guide you to the most romantic sunset spots and the best times to seek out local treasures, ensuring every moment is imbued with magic. From the first consultation to the final booking, we handle every detail. Flights, accommodations, activities, and dining. Consider them arranged, leaving you to bask in the joy of anticipation. Expect the unexpected. With Far and Away Adventures, your honeymoon is sprinkled with delightful surprises and upgrades because we believe in celebrating love in grand style. Envision waking in an overwater bungalow, island hopping to hidden gems, or toasting to the day's end on a sunset cruise. These are but a glimpse of the experiences awaiting you in Tahiti. Your dream honeymoon is just a heartbeat away? Contact Far and Away Adventures, and let's embark on the journey of a lifetime together. Book with the Tahiti Islands at Far and Away Adventures.